Now the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is just to connect your microphone extension cable to the instrument and to the preamp. So to do that, all we need you to do is take the connection, pop it onto the end like so. Please feel free to use the correct connection. Screw it in place like this. So happy with that. Then take your preamp and then connect it to the preamp itself. The pins will match up, but you can just give it a little twizzle, gentle twizzle, and it will fit into place. Place that, screw that onto there, nice and tightly. So it looks like that. I'm now just going to pop my windshield back on for a moment because I need to protect that microphone capsule. Place that on there like so. Now, the back of your instrument, you're able to put 4 AA batteries into that, and that should give you 12 hours of monitoring. To turn your instrument on, you have an on-off button here at the side. If I just press that down, the screen will come to life. There we go. And whilst it's coming to life, let's have a look at the other bits and bobs. So, here is our tripod. Extendable legs, as you'd expect. When taking your measurement, you need to carry this out on a flat surface, concrete or asphalt, no soil please, just so that you need decent acoustical reflective surfaces. Also, the vehicle should be 3 meters away from any walls, anything like that, bushes, anything along those sort of lines, please. And also, if it's quite windy or it's heavy rain, it's not recommended that you take these measurements in those conditions. This device, before we attach the preamp to this is the device that will help you understand being 1/2 meter away from the exhaust pipe, which you must be, and also at a 45-degree angle, using this part here against the exhaust. This button here connects to the bottom of the instrument. So, lift that up, and lift that rubber band, you'll see that there's just one slot where that can go, so that wants to be positioned into there, please, like so. And with the screen on, I can jump through different parts of the Optimus sound level meter, but what we need you to go to is vehicle noise, where you will get your 3 LAF max, which will then produce your LA rep. So, without much further ado, I'm now just going to attach the preamp to the tripod and have a look at what that looks like back in a second. So, once you have set up your tripod using your cradle, preamp, the attachments that come with the tripod, you're good to go. So let's take a little look outside and what it looks like when we're set up taking a vehicle noise measurement.